Hello guys, welcome to CL Chemistry. I am Balaji here with new video tutorials on Swiss ADME. Swiss ADME is a web-based tool used for calculation of ADME properties. So how to start? Just click Swiss ADME and enter. Click on this first site. This tool panel get open. So here we can directly enter smiley for structure and you can run the program. If you have structure already drawn, you can import from here, import menu. Just click, choose file. I have drawn this 5-fluorouracil. Open. Now your structure get open. Or otherwise you can draw the structure like this by using this Marvin sketch. This is a simple structure, and then you can convert the structure into smiley format by clicking on this arrow. Your structure get converted into smiley format, and now we need to just click on this run button. The program is running and it's completed. So this much data you can get: general physicochemical properties like molecular formula, molecular weight, number of heavy atoms, like this, number of hydrogen bond donor, number of hydrogen bond acceptors, molar reflectivity, total PPSA, lipophilicity parameter, all this, and water solubility of this compound. It is then pharmacokinetics. In pharmacokinetics, GA absorption, blood-brain barrier permeation. It may be permeated or not. Our drug is permeated through. Yes, it is permeated. Yes, like this CYPs. These are the cytochrome enzymes. If they are inhibiting or not. Yes, here we have yes, no, and drug likeness study. You know that Lipinski rule of 5. If your drug molecule passes that Lipinski rule, it means your molecule, it may be having a property like drugs. So one violation is accepted. These are the filters. Here you can, according to this, you can say that your drug molecule like a drug or not. And here some synthetic accessibility. If you are going to for synthesis, it possible or not. If the score is below 0, the possibility is low. If the score is more than 1, you can say that your compound is easily synthesized. So if you want to get this all data into Excel sheet format, just click on this CSV file. Here is downloaded file. Just click it, and all this data given in this Excel sheet, like smiley, molecular formula, molecular weight, number of heavy atom, aromatic rings, like this all data. And these are totally free. So if you want to calculate a pharmacokinetics properties of your choice of molecule, then go for it. Thank you for watching. If you like this, you can Like the video, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.